stop going down the rabbit hole. A very clear message that came through for me today that I feel guided to share. If that is with fear, despair, or any kind of conspiracy theories, and not to deny what may really be happening. As we know, there is always more than the eye meets in everything. But in this case, and always, what we focus on, what we carry within as an energy, as a frequency, as a thought, as an emotion, this is what is going to create the experience right now or the next moment in our earthly reality. Again, remembering there is no past, there is no future. Everything is created, everything is a potential. It is our choice as human to decide to which potential we're going to align. And again, this is not a denial of what is going on. But if we want to align to the highest potential of unity, compassion, and love, we need to embody this in all ways. And we do need to connect together as one human tribe. Yes, how can we do that? Again, realize and don't limit yourself on this body, on this three-dimensional reality. You are a being of infinite potential. To realize that fully, you need to come back into your heart. This mind is only bound to this third dimension. Sit in meditation every morning, and this is an invitation, strong invitation, to sit every morning, to sit every evening, even if it's just a minute. Drop into your heart. Of course, release what needs to be released that is coming up from their ego mind, which is okay, but release it in a safe way and then drop back into your heart. Sit until you can find somewhere in your body that feeling of love and unity and peace with yourself, most of all. Feel it for yourself, embody it for yourself, and then in your intent, give each being, each plant, each lake, each ocean and waves and all of humanity and all other beings, hug them or give your hand, hold them, and just send love, forgiveness, and compassion. You can connect and go wherever you want through intent. When you are residing in all aspects of you, connected fully to your divine essence, in your heart, integrating also your human aspects, but living and acting from this place of divine essence that is within, I call it within your heart. Again, it's not about denial of what's happening, but what's happening right now. We all are having decided and chosen to create this. Otherwise, it wouldn't be happening. It would not be possible to happen. We need to realize our immense potential and the immense power that we have. So it is the time now to align to an existing already, a different potential. But only this is possible if we come out of duality. Because if that is fear or conspiracy, it's all based in duality. And that's what this third dimension about. There's nothing wrong with that. But at that moment, we now want to have unity. So drop your mind. And just even by being in peace with yourself, just being the observer of what's happening, sending love and forgiveness to whatever is happening, This will align eventually all of us under the highest potential, serving the highest good of all, in divine love and divine light. So I invite you to sit every day in the morning, in the evenings, drop into yourself, release what needs to be released. It's okay to feel human, but be aware that this is your perspective, your anger, your fear that may be triggered, that is already there. It was always coming from something that you have experienced, but it's nothing to do with the present. Because the presence is when you're in alignment with your essence, that just is. Drop in that space. Do it again, try it again and again and again, until it works. Release, observe what's coming up by wanting to do this, by trying to do this. Release, heal, forgive, but don't project it outside. Know that reality is a mirror of our own creation, of our own consciousness, of our own inner state of being. It's a playground, it's a dream to learn. So let's dream together a reality that is serving all, that is in unity, in compassion and love. So drop down to this. Send all the love and compassion that you can embody for yourself to all beings, all situations, all events. Earth, the universe, send it, embody it, and realize the unity that you always have been and you are. When you feel yourself being in judgment or going down the rabbit hole, stop and see what has been the trigger for you to do so. And again, come back to your calling from the heart of what you want to create. But you need to act, think, and feel already the way that it's already existing, that you're living already in this reality. So you can draw this potential into this physical experience, which is a dream. Remember, we choose the dream. So choose for your highest good and the highest good of all. I send you so much love, compassion, forgiveness, and support. And please, make it to a daily ritual. You do not know how powerful you are, and just by doing this, it has to. It's the law of attraction, the law of creation. It will eventually create a new reality from love. I send you so much love.